Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lever's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you my favourite couscous recipe, and it's so bloody easy to make. So today I'm going to share a delicious couscous recipe that I usually make, and it's so simple and I think it's just amazing. And it goes beautifully with grilled meats. I usually have it with lamb cutlets and it's so good. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to slice up some pumpkin and we're going to get that roasting in the oven. So you can use any pumpkin. I'm using this delicious butternut pumpkin here. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to trim the sides off. Then I'm going to grab a spoon and just fetch all these seeds out. There we go. And I find the easiest way to slice up butternut pumpkin is to slice it into its pieces first. So I'm going to do about 1-inch cubes. And then you can put it on its side, and then you can just use your knife and just go down the edges of that. And I think it's just a lot safer that way. Then all we're going to do is we're going to slice it into about 1-inch cubes. So now we've got our pumpkin, we're going to put onto a baking tray. I just use pizza trays. And at this stage, you can season them however you want. So firstly, I'm going to put some olive oil. Just spray that on. Makes life a lot easier. Then I'm going to put some ground coriander. And then also some cumin as well. And I think these go really good with pumpkin. A little bit of salt. Pepper. And I'll just go over those seasonings a bit more with the olive oil. And then we're going to bake these in a hot oven for about 40 minutes until they're nice and cooked and also got some caramelization on. Once the pumpkin has been cooked, this recipe goes pretty quickly. So I've got some coriander here, I've got a full bunch, and I'm just going to slice that right up. I love coriander, it's probably my favourite herb. I wish it was a lot easier to grow though. So I find it dies just really quickly here in Australia. That's been sliced, and then I've also got some feta cheese as well, which I'm just going to cube up as well. So now we're going to cook the couscous, and it's so easy to do. So I've just got a saucepan here. I'm going to get the stove lit, and then for every cup of couscous you use, you need a cup of water. So I'm going to pour a cup of water in there. And then we're also going to add just a little bit of olive oil as well. And also, you could cook this in chicken stock or a vegetable stock. I'm going to add a chicken stock cube because I don't have any actual stock at home. But this will add so much flavour into the actual couscous. And then we're going to wait for this to come to the boil. And then we're going to add our cup of couscous. So this is the couscous that I'm using today. It's just a Woolworths brand, but it's same as the other ones. This comes to a rolling ball now, so now we're going to turn off the stove. And we're going to add our 1 cup of couscous. We're just going to give it a quick stir, make sure that's all been dissolved. And then on with the lid. Now we're going to leave it for 3 minutes, and then we're going to fluff it up. And also, you didn't say I didn't add any salt, and that's because we put that stock cube in there. Now, if you weren't adding a stock cube, you'll add the salt to the boiling water, sorry. I should have mentioned that as well. Now I'm going to take the lid off. We're going to add some slivers of butter. And then we're just going to use a fork and just fluff it up. Now let's assemble the meal. To assemble, it is so easy. So we've got our couscous here. Then we've got our roasted pumpkin. And no, it's not burnt, it's caramelized. We can go in there. Then we can add our coriander, and that's a lot of coriander, but I love coriander. And the feta cheese as well. Now we can just give it a good stir. How good does that look? That will easily please your vegetarian friends, I guarantee you. So let's try this out. I'm gonna have some of this tonight with some lamb cutlets tonight, and I make this all the time when I have lamb cutlets, and it is bloody amazing. How good does that look? All my favorite things: feta cheese, coriander, roasted pumpkin, anyone except for those who don't like coriander or obviously will absolutely love this. So I hope you make it. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a good like. And if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.